All right, guys, this is week 2 of the really cool video crew.
Super cool.
We're going to the rice paddies to check out some cool stuff and tell some great stories. Who's excited? All right, let's do this. We are in the beautiful beach town of Ahmed, Bali, where we got to spend 4 weeks teaching 15 unschooling kids how to make better videos.
The latch on the door, if there's like too much weight on it, it comes open, you can fly out.
This is the latch right here. Do you want to fall out?
No.
On this week's episode, we are going to go to the rice terraces and help with the harvest, hang out with the locals, and catch some amazing footage and tell a great story. All right, guys, I think we're here.
Someone left their backpack.
All right, I don't know who else is excited, but we just got here to the rice fields and it looks pretty epic down there. There's some workers down there waving at us, and I think they're super excited for us to come down and check out their traditions and local stuff that they do. How exciting is this?
Oh, it looks like the hardest thing. Oh, they got a stick.
Once we got down to the first terrace, our guide Ayun translated what the local farmer was teaching us.
In this area, they have rice field, they have flowers, they have a sweet potato over there, and then peanuts on that side.
We've got eels, we've got snakes, frogs.
No.
We call them the rice field snakes. They're like brown with a little stripe on them. They're not poisonous. So after harvest, you put the water back in, and that's when all the eels come. They're really nice and crunchy if you fry them. Yeah.
Like how big? Little ones?
They're like that big and quite long.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, so the process looks like they take this little knife and they start chopping down the rice, and then once they get chopped down, they bring it over here in piles, and then the rest of the people bang the piles on a board, which releases the rice into a trough of thingy-my-bobber and a tarp, and then they set it out to dry a little bit more. It's quite an intense process. You definitely see how the community all comes together and has a great time doing this. Really cool. Lots of people don't understand what unschooling is, and it took us a while to de-school ourselves and fully embrace this way of learning. At its core, unschooling is natural learning based on pursuing passions, satisfying natural curiosities, and learning through hands-on experiments. We all tend to retain way more information on topics that interest us, and unschooling capitalizes on that fact. So, did you grow up working in the rice fields? Working in there?
This is my father doing here. I just helping.
So, how long has the rice been growing?
3 months.
3 months to grow the rice?
From starting we grow, then now we remove.
Okay, and how much rice when you're done do you get?
1,000 or 1,200 pounds something. For now, this is not good. This is
not a good harvest?
because
Not enough water?
not enough water.
How much money can you make off of one harvest?
We don't sell this one. We make this for. We eat this.
This is for you to eat.
You eat rice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Yes.
Every meal? Every meal's
Every
rice?
meal.
Do you plan another harvest like every 3 months? Or
Yes.
only one time? So what's after this one? What are you going to put in after this?
After this, we will put corn.
How many people, is this all family?
Not family, half of the family
And do they get, maybe they get paid with rice? They get rice to take home or they get money? Rice?
no money.
Yeah, no money.
We give rice.
All right, well, thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. Suksama. Thank you so much. Suksama. All right, so we're wrapping up our excursion out here. The kids are all melting down. I could spend another 3 hours out here shooting. There's so much visual stimulation to shoot. Doug's over here wrapping it out with some locals. All right, Doug, what are you doing right now?
I'm trying to get you a few more YouTube subscribers. He says, when he picked up your camera, he says, vlog? I said, yeah. He says, YouTube? I said, yeah.
Can you subscribe?
Yeah. Subscribe.
Subscribe and ring the bell.
In the Ahmed video.
Yes, I'm subscriber.
Thank you so much.
I can share your video
Yes, thank
in
you.
the Facebook.
Show everybody, yes.
Instagram.
I like it.
Exactly.
All right, so I didn't really realize what Doug was doing back here, but he's out here pimping me out. He's got a bunch of new subscribers for our YouTube channel, and we will definitely be putting these guys in the channel. They said they're gonna share it on Instagram and Facebook, so look at that. Out here in the middle of the rice fields, absolutely crazy. These guys are on social media, watching everything that everybody's doing and enjoying life, so that's what it's all about. Everybody get out there and try something new, maybe on 3.
Try something new.
Suksama. We have 3 more videos in this video series from Ahmed Bali and can't wait to share them with you. We're getting ready to launch an online video course for kiddos that covers everything you need to know from gear to filming, editing, and how to upload your videos to YouTube. All right, guys, we did it. We came to the rice fields. We saw the rice fields. We filmed the rice fields. All right, everybody.
We sweat all over.
We sweat all over. Guys, on 3, we had a great day. 1, 2, 3. We had a great day. Woo! Thanks for watching this video, and remember to get out there and try something new.